This is Third Mainland Bridge, so I'm taking you down to our newly launched estate in Oworoshoki. The Elite Villa is an ocean view estate, and the pre-launch price is 95,000 per square meters, which will end 14th of June. If you ever love nature, I welcome you to Elite Villa. It's an ocean view estate. It's located in Oworoshoki, Lagos State. As I said before, it's a waterfront estate, so I'm going to take you to where the water is. So this estate will have land for sale. It's a luxury estate, and you can't afford to miss this estate. So we have 500 square meters, 300 square meters. It depends the square meter you want to go for. The price is 95,000 per square meter. So you can go for 1,000 square meters, 500 square meters, 300 square meters. So it's located in Oworoshoki, Lagos State. This is a lovely estate, and it's selling out fast. So this estate is launched today, and the price is still pre-launch price. So the best time for you to key in is now. Very soon, you will see it at this price. This is a lovely estate you can't afford to miss. And the title here is RofO. Is a RofO property. You can see it's already in a built-up environment. You can see it's already in a built-up environment. You can see houses around these are estates. So this is the waterfront. This is the waterfront. So this is a lovely estate, and if they buy and build a property. So for more details, if you want to know more about this estate, kindly call the Lagosian properties for inspection. So I'll be expecting to hear from you all.